Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's our topic is laughs. As we have studied in previous class, that our topic will be laughs. So laughs was the combination of harakat and huruf. So we said that laughs are words or sentences which come out from our mouth. So, and laughs is divided into two parts. The first one is called meaningful, and there are some words or sentences which come out from our mouth. They may have a proper meaning, so we call it meaningful. And the other type, the second type, is meaningless. Some words or sentences which come out from our mouth, which they don't have proper meaning, so we call it meaningless. So we are not going to study meaningless because they are not exist in official Arabic or in Quran and Hadith, because our main focus would be on Quran and Hadith. So there isn't meaningless words or sentences in the Quran. We are not going to study them. So we are going to study meaningful alfaz. So to meaningful alfaz, there is a word in Arabic, we call it, and we always should call it kaliма. So always in our lectures, I would say kalima. So you should understand that kalima is meaningful sentence. So kalima in English we call it part of speech. So part of speech in English, part of speech has 8 parts, but in English, Arabic, it's very simple, easy. It has 3 parts. So the first one is called ism, fi'l, and harf. So inshallah, if we understand these 3 points, so it means we will understand the grammar of Arabic language, inshallah. So as we are studying and teaching by English language, so noun, pronoun. So noun like Ahmad, and pronoun like he, and adjectives like good, bad, adjectives, adverb like slowly, adverb, and interjection like ouch, wow, interjections. All of these topics come under the title of ism. So it means if you study ism, so like they have the same formula, but in English they are different. So it means inshallah Arabic will be very easy. So the second, in English we have for this verb. And for huruf, there are 2 things in huruf: prepositions. Okay, ism is name of place, think, or someone, and fail doing or not doing something. So harf, it doesn't give a complete meaning if it is alone, but if it is with fail or ism, it will give a proper meaning. So prepositions and conjunction, these 2 come under the title of harf. So like prepositions are which shows position, like on, in, at, and conjunctions which connect 2 words or phrases, sentences, like or, and, like this. These are some extra information. Part of speech like kalima in English, there are 8 like this, as we see, but in other languages like Arabic, Pashto, Farsi, Urdu, and maybe in other languages there are 3 only. So we will study ism first, and then we will study fi'l, and whenever we needed a harf, we will be studying harf. So, and inshallah in coming lecture our topic will be ism. So when we complete ism, then we will come to fi'l. So and huruf will be studied between of them, so whenever we need it. So I hope you have understood. It is the road map, we can say. This is the road map of Arabic grammar. Arabic grammar. So today's lecture is the roadmap of Arabic. So it is the entire Arabic's structure in grammar. So I hope you have understood.